Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with DJI Fly for color correcting drone clips, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the DJI Fly app on your device. If you haven't already, create an account or log in to your existing DJI account. Navigate to the main interface of the app. Select the settings icon, typically represented by a gear symbol. Scroll to the camera section within the settings menu. Look for the color or color profile option. Choose the DJI color profile for more flexibility during color correction. Once selected, return to the main interface of the app. Connect your drone and ensure it is properly calibrated. Before recording, check the camera settings for frame rate and resolution. Adjust these settings according to your desired output. Start recording your drone clips in the DJI profile. After capturing your footage, transfer the clips to your computer. Import the footage into your preferred video editing software. Begin the color correction process by adjusting exposure and contrast. Next, fine-tune the color balance to achieve the desired look. Use tools like curves and color wheels for precise adjustments. Export your final video once you are satisfied with the color correction. Enjoy your enhanced drone clips with improved visual quality. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.